Okay guys, we from group 6 will present us our work on AR, VR, MR, and Adverb. Okay, definition and example of AR, VR, and XR. First, augmented reality or AR, add digital element to live view, often by using the camera on a smartphone. Example of augmented reality expand includes Snapchat Lens and game Pokemon Go. Next, virtual reality or VR. Virtual reality is a technology that allows users to compute an environment that is simulated by a computer. An actual environment that is limited or really an environment that only expands inside. Example of virtual reality is cardboard, VRCI, and cardboard camera. Mixed reality or MR, experience with combining elements of both AR and VR, real world and digital object in terrain. Mixed reality technology is just now starting to take off with microscope HoloLens and of the most notable early mixed reality apparatus.
History of AR, VR, and MR. The origin of augmented reality AR and virtual reality or VR came way back in 1838 when Charles Whitstone invented the stereoscope. This technology used an image for HA to create a three-dimensional image for the viewer. Now, AR and VR are helping gamers and designers reimagine their interface. In the same way, businesses use this technology to train employees and market new products. Next, mixed reality or MR was first defined in 1994 by Paul Milgram and Fumio Kishino. Mixed reality or MR is the merging of real and virtual world to product new environment and visualizations, where physical and digital objects coexist and interact in real time. Mixed reality or MR does not exclusively take place in either the physical or virtual world, but is a hybrid of reality and virtual reality.
Okay, definition is VR, AR, MR with artificial intelligence. In the next few years, artificial intelligence will change the way spend time processing data. Business will leverage AI to perform data-driven thinking tasks, so they can significantly reduce time spent observing, debating, planning searches, and testing any new innovations. Soon the boundaries between the real world and augmented reality will disappear. Art in the workplace will bring people together, enabling people to interact with data in ways that have never been possible before. APG will be a testing ground for those applications as the region travels to master our innovation and applications. Virtual reality will definitely change the entertainment and gaming industry in the short term thanks to the integrated experience features. Immersive experience offered is predicted to be a way of maximizing human efficiency and leveraging the institutional knowledge of a growing workforce.
Definition of adverb. Adverb is a word that is used to change, modify, or qualify several types of words, including an adjective, a verb, a clause, another verb, or any other type of word or phrase, with the exception of determiners and adjectives that directly modify nouns. A good way to understand adverbs is to think about them as the word that provide context. Specifically, adverb provide a description of how, where, when, in what manner, and to what extent something is done or happens. Normally, we can spot an adverb by the fact that it often ends in "ly." But there are lots of adverbs that don't end in this way. Moreover, adverb can be used in many combinations with each other.
Variation of adverb. 1. Adverb or addition or to explain the word. 2. Adverb or addition to explain adjective. 3. Adverb or addition to explain or adverb. 4. Adverb or addition to explain the noun expression. 5. Adverb or addition to explain conjunction. 6. Adverb or addition to explain conjunction. 7. Adverb or addition to explain the entire sentence expression.
The type of adverb and example of each type. Number 1. Adverbs of time. Number 2. Adverb of matter. Number 3. Adverb of degree. Number 4. Adverbs of place. Number 5. Adverb of frequency. Okay, the next example of adverbs. Number 1. Adverbs of time. Example of adverb of time is never, lately, just, always, recently, during, yet, soon, sometimes, usually, and so far. Number 2. Adverb of place. Example of adverb of place: here, there, everywhere, out, in, about, below, inside, outside, and into. Number 3. Adverb of matter. Example of adverbs of matter is neatly, slowly, quickly, sadly, calmly, politely, loudly, keenly, and lessly. Number 4. Adverb of degree. Example of adverb of degree are much, quite, nearly, to, and no, just, hardly, simple, and so. Adverb of frequency. Example of adverb of frequency is never, always, really, sometimes, normally, seldom, usually, and again.
Okay everyone, that with the result of our work. Is there any question for another group? I invite them.